In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail account from connected apps. This is a great way to clean up old connections, protect your privacy, and make sure only the apps you trust can access parts of your Google account, including Gmail. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is your Google account home, where you control security, privacy, and data settings. If you manage multiple Google accounts, quickly check the profile picture or initial in the top right to confirm you're on the correct account before making changes. Next, look for security and sign in on the left side and click it. In some versions of the page, the menu item may simply say security, but it takes you to the same place. This area houses all your account protection tools, including where apps are connected. Now, find the section called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. This is where Google lists apps and services that you've linked to your account, such as productivity tools, email clients, or services you signed into using your Google credentials. It's normal to see a few here, but if you haven't reviewed this in a while, you might notice apps you no longer use. Click See All Connections to open the full list. You'll get a clearer view of everything that currently has access. This page helps you understand what each app can do, which is useful when deciding what to remove. Choose the app you want to remove by clicking its name. On the details page, take a moment to review the access it has, things like reading Gmail, viewing your profile, or accessing calendars. If it's no longer needed or you don't recognize it, it's safer to remove it. Click Delete All Connections. This action revokes the app's access to your Google account, including any permissions tied to Gmail. The app will stop being able to read or manage your data through Google. If you ever need it again, you can reconnect it later from within that app or service. Finally, click Confirm to complete the removal. The change takes effect right away. You should see the app disappear from your connections list. Your emails and data remain in your Google account. You're only removing the app's ability to access them. That's all you need to do. Consider reviewing this list periodically to keep your account tidy and secure. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you update your tools or stop using a service.